Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name is Nurhazira, NIM 21010951211. I will explain the learning video material about the effect of climate change of human. Climate change according to the Indonesian government based on law number 31 of 2009 concerning meteorology, climatology and geophysics. Climate change is a change in climate caused directly or indirectly by the human activity which causes change in the composition of the atmosphere globally as well as change its natural climate's variability observed over a comparable period of time. Cause of climate change. Cause of climate influence. Climate change is caused by two factors, namely human and natural factor. However, human activities have a big impact on climate change. Cause of climate influence. 1. Greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a term used to describe the Earth as having a greenhouse effect, where the sun's heat is trapped than the Earth's atmosphere. 2. Global warming. Global warming is increase in the average atmospheric temperature close to the Earth's surface in the troposphere, which can contribute to change in global climate patterns. Global warming occurs due to the increasing amount of greenhouse gas GHG emission in the atmosphere. 3. Energy creation. Electrical and thermal energy is produced by burning fossil fuels, resulting in emission of carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide, namely greenhouse gas that cause climate change. 4. As of transportation. Furthermore, there is the use of transportation, which is also one of the causes of climate change. Fossil fuels as a source of fixed energy cause climate change due to carbon dioxide gas emission. 5. Manufacturing activities. Manufacturing and industrial activities produce greenhouse gas emission. The manufacturing industry is one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gas emission in the world. The highest per capita greenhouse gas emission are in the United States and Russia. 6. Deforestation. Greenhouse gas emission also arises from deforestation. Thus, the earth cut down will release the carbon stored in the same. Because forests absorb carbon dioxide, their removal also results in a reduced observation of greenhouse gas emission. 7. Lifestyle. As of electronic travel in the amount of food consumed also contribute to greenhouse gas emission. Lifestyle ultimate has a big influence of climate change. According to research, the rich 1% of people in the world are responsible for twice as much carbon pollution as the world population. Change in the Earth's orbit. The net cause of climate change comes from the change in the Earth's orbit in the last 800 years. The Earth having natural cliffs in the Earth's climate between hot haze and warmer interglacial periods. Effect of climate change on society. 1. Directed weather quality. The first effect of climate change in directing weather quality. Rainfall that is too high will result in the decrease in the quality of water sources. Apart from that, rising temperature also increases chlorine level in clean water. 2. Habit change. Warming Earth's temperatures, rising sea levels, flooding and the storm due to climate change will bring major change the habitats as natural homes of various species of animals. plants and various other organisms. 3. Species fauna. Next is the extinction of species. Habitat change can cause the extinction of various species, both animal and plants, such in the large trees and forests, which are the main absorbers of carbon dioxide. 4. Disease outbreaks increase. Rising temperature and rainfall can increase the spread of deadly disease outbreaks, such as malaria, cholera, and dengue fever. This is because mosquitoes that carry this virus live and breed in the hot and humid weather, where such conditions will generally be caused by climate change. 5. Agricultural land is decreasing. Climate change can also cause agricultural land to decrease, to hot temperatures, reduced water availability, and natural disasters caused by climate change can damage agricultural lands. 6. Sinking of coastal areas. Rising sea levels cause shift in the land boundaries in coastal areas, which then submerges parts of coastal areas or settlements in coastal areas. How to overcome climate change? 1. Energy saving. 2. Switch to electric vehicles. 3. Eat lots of vegetables. 4. Reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. The material conclusion about the effect of change on humans in the change in the physical condition of the Earth's atmosphere, including temperature and rainfall distribution, which has a broad impact on various sectors of human life. That's enough learning video material about the effect of climate change on humans. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.